Introduction to organizing notes.
Digital note-taking apps offer powerful ways to keep information organized and easy to find. Two of the most common methods these apps use are tags and folders. Understanding how each system works can help you choose the best structure for your own notes, making retrieval faster and your workflow more efficient.
How folders work in note apps.
Folders in note apps mimic traditional file cabinets. Each note is stored in a single folder, creating a clear hierarchy. This approach makes it simple to visualize where everything is, but you're limited to placing notes in just one spot. Folders work best for broad categories, like projects or subjects, especially if your organization style is straightforward.
How tagging systems work.
Tags offer a more flexible way to organize information. You can assign multiple tags to a single note, labeling them by topic, priority, or context. This allows you to group related notes across different folders, making it easier to find connections. Tags are especially useful if your notes often span different categories or themes.
Advantages and trade-offs.
The previous user messages can be more flexible, but it can require more discipline to use effectively. Many modern note apps combine both, so users can benefit from structured storage and flexible tagging at the same time.
Which system should you use?
The choice between tags and folders depends on your personal needs. For those who prefer straightforward organization, folders are reliable. If you need to link ideas across projects or search by multiple topics, tags might be best. Trying out both can reveal which approach or combination fits your style and helps you find information quickly.